Welcome to Youste. We specialize in manufacturing high-quality cleaning products, offering cleanroom swabs, cleaning wipes, and cleaning cards to our customers. Cleanroom swabs are essential tools used in controlled environments, such as cleanrooms, where maintaining high levels of cleanliness and avoiding contamination is crucial. Youste Company is committed to providing you with the perfect customized solutions, including printing your logo, custom packaging, label design, showcasing the unique charm of your brand. Our professional customer service team is available anytime, anywhere to address any concerns and ensure your satisfaction. Our advanced factory is fully equipped with efficient production processes, providing you with a high-quality product guarantee. Different types of cleanroom swabs are designed to meet specific requirements and are made from various materials to suit different applications. These range from cotton and compressed cotton to foam, foam over cotton combinations, knitted polyester, and microfiber. We warmly welcome you to visit our factory. Choose Youste for quality, reliability, and professional service. Contact us to learn more.